Okay, how to valuate your business. A multiple is calculated as multiple equals performance metric A over performance metric B. A multiple can be used to show how much your business is worth in the market and how much you'll be able to make by selling your business away. For example, using the P over E ratio, if you plan to sell your company at 12x multiplier, how much will the price be? Or how much should your company be earning before you sell it away? The price of the company can be estimated by multiplying the annual earnings of the company by the multiplier of 12. Simple maths, but this formula can only be used as a rough estimation of how much your business is worth. However, a more precise way of doing it will be using the EV over EBIT DA formula. It's used to measure the cash flow available to the firm or business. EV to earnings before interest and taxes, also referred to as EV over EBIT, is used for less capital-intensive companies with a smaller depreciation and amortization expense. All multiples act as a single number that analysts can multiply by some financial metric to determine the relative value or worth. With the EV over EBIT DA formula, you'll be able to make comparison between you and your competitors who are doing similar types of business. After the business valuation, chances are your business is not worth as much as you expected it to be, or your business does not have a healthy earning history. So in the long run, the company might not be able to earn more than what you're already earning now.